Let me tell you a story about a writing skill. Brain power will help you give your teacher a thrill. Use quotation marks around all that you say. They go around as speakers' words. Use your knowledge today. Quotation mark. Let me upload some knowledge into your spongy brain. We have rules of grammar, we don't just entertain. When you're writing a story and you've got something to say, use quotation marks. Don't drive your teacher quotation mark. Capitalize then write. Comma quotation mark. Mr. Jones remarked, and now right from the start. First quotation mark. Capitalize then write. Question mark, quotation mark. Mrs. Kramer asked, now let's go to class. Exclamation mark, then a quotation mark.